I don't really know what that is. Let's see. In labor. Oh my god. So I don't know I don't know if she's going to have another baby. So let's see and watch how it goes. This is okay. So if you all don't know, this is Comfort. She's 14 years old. Yeah, she was birthed. They gave birth to her. I think the year 2011. Yeah, 2011, 2012. Yeah, that's when they gave birth to her, and she's the oldest goat we have so far, and she has been giving birth to twins, triplets. And I don't know if because of her old age, if she's going to give birth to one. Her last baby was a triplet, which I showed you all, but I don't really know. Okay, I think she still have one more. I don't know. Okay, here you go. Here you go. She's trying to reach her whatever, but I don't know. She's not getting through. I don't know what she's trying to do over there. I wish I could help, but she can do her own thing. I don't know what she's doing. Okay. 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 Here you go. Here you go. Please, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't even know what they are talking about. Don't worry, guys. She'll be clean in 1 hour time. Yeah, the kid will be clean. So don't worry, you all. Keep watching to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Guys, I'm having a low battery. I don't know if I capture all of it. So we have the twins here. Guys, look at this. This is already cleaned up very well. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Hello. 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 So guys, as you can see, the kids are very healthy. Yeah, I was thinking, she's going to have a triplet, but the placenta is not out yet. I don't really know why. Maybe because I'm here. Truly I'm interrupting her birth. So for now we are only having these two lovely kids. If you can see, they are much better and beautiful right now. So this one here is a male and this one here is a female. Yeah, and this is the Almighty Comfort. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'm clocking out. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next vlog. Yeah, I'll be having we have about 3 female goats which are pregnant, and they'll be giving birth very soon. So because of work, I don't really know if I'll be available to film them, but I will try my best. Okay, all right, thank you all for watching. See you in the next vlog. Comfort. So bye. Get to like and subscribe. Bye. See you. Clock it and clock in and clock out. Bye.